Looking for an RFO condo or investment opportunity in Quezon City? Now you can own a two-bedroom unit for as low as 24,000 per month with just 12% down payment. Welcome to the Crestmont by DMCI Homes located in Panay Avenue, Quezon City. Walking distance to MRT Quezon Avenue Station. Near SM North, Trinoma, Landmark, and Soler Resort and Casino. Experience 5-star amenities every day. Looking for other projects in Quezon City? Try our other developments. Call us today for free unit quotation or schedule a viewing to see your future home in person.